a fair season, renews all things and makes everything to grow green again. Anew I wish to say, anew and plain, that a new desire calls to me and sings and tells me to sing newly and with delight of a gentle, new and fitting body bright, to whom I am newly and firmly bound and tied, for through her I am newly made anew inside. Most gently did the fair one renew me, my gentle heart, with the gentle welcome's art that she gave me gently, so that ever I start to think how gently pure worth guides her and she me, and how with gentle welcoming she drew my true heart from my body. Gently without noise I was gently taken, so that if it pleased her it does not please me to take another's joy if she binds me with gentle ease. So much I love her that my body travails, and love makes my heart to languish and to wail. And if love wishes to make me die loving love, whoso hammers me with her compelling, she can do it, so firmly do I love her. And loving I destroy myself and my sense to serve her. For both of them I love with full drawn out desire, for with her I am consumed. So much I love her with great sense no higher. Thanks I owe her, for she is swift and quick, and knows how to keep the thanks of the worthy and the true, and makes her worth pleasing and welcome to view. And thanks because she so enamors me in this trick, for if with her I find a grateful mercy's grace, thanks she shall have in mercy an equal place. Without noise I find both at her will, where joy lies still, through whom rich worth praised and prized shines with a will. Without noise I find both at her will, where joy lies still, through whom rich worth praised and prized shines with a will. Pure worth makes hardy art, valiant and bold, if boxed and she alike all told, through whom without noise I find certain worth has found its place, in him through whom